So again, just to recap, we have a class program. Our entry point must be contained within a class. A class is a kind of type. We can name our program anything we want. I just like the word program mainly because it matches up with the file name that we have right here. Typically, we have one class per file, and the file name is the same name as the class. Then we open up our class definition with these curly braces, which allow us to define members. One of the kinds of members that we can define are called methods. The method that is static, void, and called main with a capital M is our entry point, which means that our C# program is going to, when it's launched, it will run this method. A method is a collection of statements. What we have here is our two statements that are contained within curly braces that delineate the beginning and end of this method. The two statements that we have are invocations to other methods. We are branching off from our main method into other methods that have already been made available to us by the .NET Framework. In this case, console.writeLine is a method. This method accepts something called an argument. The argument it accepts is going to be text that we will print out to the screen. The text that we wrote here is hello world. We encase that in double quotes, which double quotes in C# define what are called string literals, which allow us to write arbitrary text into our code file. After we are done running this console.writeLine, hello world, we terminate this line with our terminator or semicolon. Then we invoke another method called readKey, which we also terminate, which will pause the execution of our program until the user hits a key on the console window.